Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This is Bush washing machine WMSAA1014EW. This is 10 kg white coordinated your appliance, 10 kg capacity, plenty of room for full loaded LED display, clear and easy to read. It's designed for washing laundry across variety of fabric types from cottons and synthetic to wool, jeans, and delicates. With its generous 10 kg drum capacity, it is ideal for tackling large household loads. And the 1400 RPM spin speed ensure clothes emerge with minimum moisture after each cycle. The appliance features 15 programs, including a handy 15 minutes quick wash for those times where you need freshly cleaned items in a hurry, plus a steam function that penetrates fabrics to help eliminate bacteria and prevent odors. This machine offers straightforward operating system with an LED display, dye control, so you can schedule wash to suit your routine. A drum clean reminder alerts you every 25 cycles to keep the interior fresh and hygienic. Energy rating A means efficiency program, while the 76 decibel noise level keep disruption to minimum. This washing machine measures height 85 and weight is 95.5 and diameter is 58.9 centimeter and weighs about 62 kg. This corded washing machine includes variable spin speed, temperature setting, child lock, overflow protection, and pause facility. It comes with 1 year manufacturer's guarantee. We're going to unbox it, check it out, and see what is inside. Information pack, energy rating,
That's it. Yes, remove the box. See my smart thinking.
you can see what it looks like. So this is the lid for the water inlet, and this plastic is for you to cover when you remove the screws. Then use this plastic to cover it up. So this is the plastic. See what it looks like. Now we're going to unscrew these screws. So this is the waste hose, and this is the power cable. And we're going to unscrew these screws first. So always remember to unscrew this. Then use the plastic to cover it. It goes in here. Then do the same thing with this one. You need this flat screw. Okay, so remove it like this completely. Then take the plastic that comes with your washing machine and cover it up. So do the same thing to the next one. So you need to do this before you install your washing machine. And use the plastic. Use the plastic to secure it. And take this and close it. Okay, so this is how to remove the transport screws from the back of a washing machine. This video is applicable to pretty much all the washing machines. This is called transport bolt. It secures the drum.
Stick the two longer sponge to the longer side.
So this foam, the longer one goes to this side. I'm going to turn it the other way around. Just need to remove this tape. Take this one.
Come down more. Maybe no, come down more. Just in the middle. No, in the middle.
Okay. Okay, guys, the next thing you need to do, you need to put this water inlet, connect it to the washing machine, tighten it up. Tighten it up properly. Okay, make sure it's in secure properly. Then you don't put the washing machine inside yet, so that you make sure the water is not leaking before. The next thing we need to do is we need to put the hose. You need to tighten this up. So